Every table full. Every night booked. On paper, this restaurant looks unstoppable.
So why does the same owner sit here every night, staring at his numbers, worried sick? This problem has a name. This is revenue. Every dollar that walks in the door from a sale. Nothing subtracted yet, just money coming in. Revenue's formula is simple. Price multiplied by how many you sell. That's the entire calculation, nothing more. This is profit. What's left after every single cost leaks out. Rent, wages, ingredients, everything. It's what a business actually keeps. A cafe tracks repeat customers. A delivery app tracks orders. Support tracks response time. Every business is chasing its own version of this. Revenue measures activity, how much happened. Profit measures performance, what all that activity actually earned you. Profit isn't even one number. It shrinks in stages. Gross profit, then operating profit, then finally net profit. A packed room can still be losing money quietly. A quieter room can be earning more. Busy is not the same as healthy. Revenue moves first and fast, a leading signal. Profit moves slower, but it's the one that tells the real story.
Which brings us back to him. Full tables every night. But full tables never told him whether he was actually winning.
6 months ago, this was all he saw. A full room every night. He believed that was the whole scoreboard. His revenue summary looked incredible. Month after month, the top number kept climbing. He thought that settled it. But the bank balance never matched the excitement. Something was quietly disappearing between the sale and the cash in hand. So he laid it all out. Daily sales, every expense, side by side. For the first time, he was ready to actually calculate it. Revenue minus every expense on the list. Rent, staff, ingredients, waste. What was left was his operating profit. It was thin. He dug into month over month. Ingredient costs were steady. Rent hadn't changed. But one number had quietly crept upward. The discounts. The very promotions filling every seat were shrinking every dollar of profit those same seats brought in. So he cut the deepest discounts, renegotiated 2 supplier contracts, and kept only the promotions that still paid for themselves. The room stayed just as full. But this time, when he checked the bottom line, more of every dollar actually stayed his. The math was always this simple. Revenue minus expenses equals operating profit. No new numbers, just what he already had. A wafer-thin operating margin means one bad month away from trouble. A healthy one means room to survive the unexpected. Same restaurant, same crowd. But one version of this business was one bad week from closing, and the other wasn't. Businesses love celebrating record revenue. It sounds impressive on a slide, and it can hide a business quietly losing money. Chasing revenue through deep, constant discounting is the exact trap. The top number rises, while real profit quietly disappears. Nothing about the crowd changed. What changed was that he finally knew which number actually told him the truth. Operating profit improved. Next, this business should watch cash flow, repeat customers, and how each margin holds up over time. Metrics made human. One metric, one story, every week. See you in the next one.